Welcome to the sixth race of the season. The rookie Marley, Ben White, front row starters. Here we go.
Alright, well the fun doesn't start until we ask our drivers a question. Are you ready? Drivers, will you please start your engine?
Alright, there's your command for today's race. Whoops. Sixth race under the lights at Texas. Getting ready for two race, I guess. Yeah. Do we have a problem with one of the trucks? I think so. Maybe. Alright, here we go. Getting ready for the green. They're coming to the green flag, and there it is. Green flag's out. One truck's already going down pit road. I don't know who that is. Alright, forget about it. Let's just go racing. The O2 gets off to a good start here. Texas is a dangerous place to race for most drivers. A lot of big wrecks. And here comes the 54 already, taking the lead away from the rookie. Brian Minister on the inside, trying to take the lead away. The Texas glitches there. So Alan C leads the first lap. The 57 Bishop Jr. on the inside, making it 3 wide. This could be bad. Whoa, leaning. The 54, the leader in the wall. Oh my god, they're so touching right there. That's crazy. Oh, hard in the wall for the 52. Caution will be out. Big wreck. We got more. The O2's involved. The 30, the 18. And that truck is destroyed. And the 10 of Randy McBlair is the leader. Let's take a look at the replay. 4 wide's not going to work at Texas. Look at this bad hit, man. It's a head-on collision. Good lord. What happened to the other drivers? How come they got clipped in? Oh, nowhere to go for them. Rams right into the O2. The 30 and the 18 collide. 58 just rolling around the track. 4 trucks, the 30, Jake Austin, Marley, the pole sitter, and Brian M. All 3 trucks are out of the race. The 18, the only survivor, looks like. We'll take you back to the restart. Here we go. 3 drivers left. I mean, 3 drivers out. My mistake. Here we go. Getting ready for the restart. Pace trucks on pit road, and green flag is out. And look at that 54 already making a whoa! Ah, goddamn! Fuck. I don't even know why that happens. Anyways, the 54 takes the lead back. Here comes the 3 Austin LaPlante in the 3rd spot, trying to get second away. Probably the lead. Here comes Ben White. He got blocked. 18 with damage, enough damage to slow him down. And the 3 of LaPlante leads that lap, but they're 3 wide for first and second. Maybe even 4. Whoa, Ben White into the 3. Whoa, sideways, saved it. Wow, that's the best save I've ever seen. I think, yeah, it should be. And points leader now taking over, but here comes the 17 of Dylan. Whoa, guys. Whoa, trouble! The 57 goes around right in front of the pack. Oh, God. Oh, man, this is going to be bad. Right in front of a lot of trucks. Oh, boy, that can't be good. A lot of trucks destroyed on that wreck. Ryan Needham takes another lap. We'll take the lap back. The 17 is the lead. Oh wait, no, never mind. Who's the leader? 35. Let's take a look. This is bad. Look at that. 39. Just haps 57 and turn them all the way around. 16 pretty much had no room. Well, actually, kind of. Collected more drivers. Look at that hit. Look at that other hit. And then there's another hit. Then there's the other hit. Dover winner involved. Oh my god, look at a 39 twirling around like a ballerina or some weird shit like that. Try to break dance. Look at that thing just slammed right into the wall. And whoop, 99 PJ Williams nowhere to go. And the 2 almost missed it. Well, I think that's the big one here at Texas. We've seen bigger, but I think that should settle it. Let's take you back. So no lap drivers. 29 drivers are left. Where's that 21 truck? Wonder if he can win this thing. Can he do a comeback? So can he be the first driver to be a lap down and still win the race? Green flag flies, and a good start by the 35. Bad start for the 17 and the 19. The 3 quickly makes the move. The 68 will follow, and pretty much the rest. The rookie looking for first win. I forgot the first name because it's too long to fit in the last name column. So of course the full name isn't shown. Here comes Dylan T. Now here comes the plant now, trying to make it 3 wide. He tries to take the lead as well. Looks like he has a strong truck today. Here he comes, but he won't lead that lap. Here comes the 54 now. 7, 29. 68 is falling back just a little bit. Whoa, look at Sam Curtis. Trying to squeeze right through the middle. That's not good. Can cause a wreck doing that. John Mongo now trying to take the lead. Pulling up. So trying to get it. And does not lead, but he'll lead this time, but not a lap. Yet. Unless the 68 goes around him, looks like he will. Truck shooting up the track. Again? Seriously? I don't know what's wrong. This glitches like that. Whoa, 4 wide, 4 wide. This could be bad. A 17 upside down. 4 trucks involved. Ben White, Austin LaPlante, and oh god. More wrecks. More. The 17 gets back on his wheels, but his finished. The 21. Oh, they're still wrecking. They're still wrecking. Looks like the 21 will not make a comeback. I was hoping for one. At least top 5. Because he does have a strong truck and he got his lap back. But a 17 is just limping across the track now after that wild flip. I'm surprised that thing could still roll. Chuck E. Cheese now the new leader. Let's take a look at the replay. 4 wide. You know that's not gonna work. Well, the 3 just got clipped at the last second. Ben White almost goes upside down hard into the wall for him. I think just twirls right around. But Dylan was the one who goes upside down. Look at all these other big hits. He just skids across on his roof, but look at that. 21 goes around. The 75, look at this. Right to head-on collision. Okay, never mind. Not that hard at all. But Gabe Williams involved in another wreck. The 08 is done. For sure. We got more wrecks. I don't know what's going on up here, but the caution is out. Drivers hooking each other. Whoa. Oh my god, what a hit for that 29. That's not gonna be good. Knock the wind out of him for sure. Everyone's still piling in. I don't know why these drivers can't use the brakes. I'm guessing somebody installed ARCA brakes on those trucks, but I don't know how they're gonna fit. Oh well, whatever. Let's take you back to the restart. Here we go. 22 drivers are left at here at Texas. The 68, the 7, 35, 54, and 10. Your top 5. Green flag is back. John Mongold, one hell of a start. And he's quickly moves to the inside to take that lead. There's some drafting right here. Ben White, Austin LaPlante. 2 drivers who were involved in that accident. '68 still got the lead. Looks like he has the best truck out of them all. Oh, John White almost gets dumped. Looks like he has a slow truck. Maybe he does. I'm not sure. He's still in second though. The 54 getting the good run on the high side. The 10 now trying to make the move. Still going the same speed. Whoa. Whoa, that little push, and he's around. The 28 hard on the wall. This could be bad. Right in front of the 75. Nowhere to go for her. And another hit. John Mongold, nowhere to go. Again, oh my god, bigger hit. Chambers involved. That pretty much ends their night. Caution's back out. The 68 is still the leader. Let's take a look. Could be a new rivalry, maybe. Randy McLaren, the 10, the rookie, pushes John Mongold up into the 54. The 28 also suffered a bad wreck. But let's see that, and then he got pushed, and look at this. This can't be good. No safer barrier right on the driver's side. You know that's bad, but and when he came back right in front of traffic, he just came right in front for the 75. Nowhere to go for her. Then another hit from the 7 of John Mongold. Even more damage now. See smoke coming out. So is the 75. Tries to back up, but then a 2, another hit. Rips off the whole nose of that 2 truck. And pretty much putting their night, pretty much ending their night early. And we'll take you back once again. So now we only have 19 drivers. Whoopee, I guess. No. Less than 10 laps to go. Left at Texas. Chuck E. Cheese still leading. The green flag waves. Everyone's takes single file for now. Here comes a 10. The 13 does not make the move. Randy now takes over. He's trying to get his first win. Sam Curtis trying to take third. No, Curtises have won this season so far. Curtises are dominant here in this league. Everywhere you go, they either win championships all over the place. But of course, there's going to be those new names that just pop up and pretty much bring out a challenge. Here comes Alan C now. He's trying to return to victory lane in this league. Could be his first in the trucks. Whoa, 68's in the wall. No harm done there. Randy now up in front, looks like for the first time in his career. 19, Sam Curtis getting the good run. He has an untouched truck, but he did cause a wreck though. Here comes the 13 now, trying to get back at second, and he has a real good run. Look at how fast he closes in on that 10. There's the rest of the drivers. Hopefully no caution comes out after this. There comes the 13 now. Puts the block. Almost wrecks himself. There's the rest of the drivers. Have not caught back. Whoa, this could be bad. Contact being made there. Side by side for the lead in the turn 3 and 4. The 13 takes over. The 10 tries to make the run on the high side. Here comes the 68 now trying to challenge right back. Sam Curtis in 4th, 5th is Alan C, 6th is Riley Houston Jr., 7th Kyle Collins. Here comes the 68 one more time. He's about to take the lead right back. The only Dodge Ram in this series, in the whole damn. Here comes the 10 now. Randy McBlair trying to take the lead back. Sam Curtis trying to take the lead for the first time tonight. Still trying to get it. Has not made it. He's opening the door though. Slow driver Sidney Cross, bitch. And oh, trouble! The 19's around. That ends the race right there. Battle to the finish. Who's it gonna be? Here comes Kyle Collins trying to make it 2 in a row. Can he do it? He moves to the inside. The race is over, but the 68 looks like he got the win. As long as he doesn't mess up. No. My mistake. Brandon McBlair's in the lead. He's the leader. He is the leader. And he's looking for his first win. The caution comes out. Tempers will flare tonight. Let's take a look. Sam Curtis got turned around. What happened? The 13 with the faster truck thought he was clear. Hooks the 68. Gets into the 19. And he spins right around. Collecting the 54. Going all the way down to the apron. Caution was called. Should not have been called. I don't think it's a good move, even though it's up, is on the back stretch. But he went all the way down there. I would have took the risk to cancel that caution if I was. Didn't have to throw out that caution. But there you have it. Another race ended under caution. What could have been an exciting race to the end. This sucks a lot. Official results. Randy McBlair, first career win. And another rookie going to victory lane. 19 trucks finish this race. More than half the field out. After a wild race here at Texas, let's take you to victory lane now. Point standings after race 6, the rookie goes up 4 spots. He is now the points leader, 13 points up. Kyle Collins up 2, the rookie down 2. Chuck E. Cheese up 2, Samuel Bash down 2, Houston Jr., Ben White up 5, Hike down 6, Chambers down 2, John Mongo down 2 as well. And here's the rest of the point standings as I move it down slowly. And there you have it. See you for race 7.